Welcome to the Zella DeBella Show. Where we're going today, no one really knows. And that is the premise behind this show. Teaching the process, the how-to of finding the inspiration and the magic, not just in cooking, but in life. What I'm finding is called the flow. The flow being like a wave of energy that's coming from your soul, that you may experience as coming actually from outside you, but I think it's actually really inside you, which draws whatever you're experiencing outside of you. And one way to practice these principles of listening to flow is in cooking. Like you're catching a wave and you're on a surfboard, and it's like you're sitting there and you're not making the wave happen. You're not trying to control the wave to happen. You're not thinking the wave into happening, but you're allowing the wave to come. And then you're riding that energy so that you can enjoy yourself and feel the wind in your wings. So that's a lot of what I'm going to be teaching on this show, about how to sense into listening for that wave, feeling that wave. Because the more in flow you are when you cook and eat, the more energy you have and the more aliveness you have. So I look forward to continuing to do this with you all. And that was the worst ending ever. So I'm really excited to be able to share my inspiration and passion with you around food and wellness. And if you subscribe, then anytime I make a video, I can send it to you. And I would love to share with you from my heart.